In this video, I'm going to show you how to snooze an email. Probably have a lot of emails that are coming into your inbox, and you want to view this email on the top of your emails at another time so that you don't forget it. You make use of the snooze function. So the snooze function is easy to use. All you have to do is to point at the email that you want to snooze. Like in this case, let's just point on one and go to the end of that email and then click snooze. So there are several functions that come out. You can snooze today, tomorrow, over the weekend, next week, you know. Uh, but you can also pick the time and the date, which are specific to your needs. In this case, let's just choose probably the 11th and then it say 9 a.m., right? And then click save. So what happens is the email disappears from there, but where does it go? So if you go to where it says inbox and you move three spaces down to where it says snoozed, that's where all the snoozed emails go. And you can actually open it if you want to see what's in the email, but it only comes back on the 11th of February. So if you click it, you see the emails, even the nested ones. But the question comes back, how do I then unsnooze the email, especially when I don't want it to come back on the 11th? Because you might have a change of heart because you want to work on what's within that email. That is very simple. What you do is you go to the snooze button there in snoozed emails and you click it, and then you go to the bottom where it says unsnooze. Then once you do that, the email will be removed from the snooze category and it comes back into the inbox. So that's how you snooze and unsnooze emails in Gmail.